The Cat in the Hat is about to appear. He's whizzing over to whisk you away on a fabulous journey today.
He's coming!
And now he's arrived in the thingamajigger, the thing that he drives. He's a cat and he's oodles of fun with his hairy helpers, thing 2 and thing 1. Just start like that. Wherever you're going, wherever you're at, the Cat in the Hat knows a lot about. He knows a lot about. He knows a lot about. He knows a lot about that.
Cliffhanger, hanging from a cliff, and that's why he's called Cliffhanger.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
We find Cliffhanger where we left him last. Hanging from a cliff.
Can't hold on much longer.
Suddenly, Cliff sees an eagle flying high above the cliff. Eagerly, Cliff reaches into his backpack and extracts his trusty survival manual. Using his expert decoding skills, Cliff begins to read.
If you wish to get off the cliff, dress yourself as a big fish. I wish to get off the cliff, so I shall disguise myself as a big fish. Yippee! The eagle thinks I am a fish, and I am getting my wish.
Is this it? Is Cliffhanger finally going to get off that cliff?
Uh-oh, I am being eaten by eaglets. I had better leap.
And that's why he's called Cliffhanger.
Can't hold on much longer.
Mosey, me.